Hello, this is Todd with Mecklenburg County GIS, and this is the Polaris 3G video series. This video is titled Printing, Measuring, and Markup. So let's get started. So what I want to do is show you the various tools that you can do for measuring, markup, and printing. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up a property. I'll use the one I've been using for most of these videos. And let's say, for instance, you would like to put some fencing up around the perimeter of your property, but not the front of the property. To do a heads-up measurement, we have a tool up here that allows you to do a distance measure. So once you make it active, you can come down here and you can start at your beginning point and single click, and then you can click at your next corner and single click, and your next corner and single click, and then when you're ready to finish, you can double click to complete. So you can see the distance of the perimeter around this property is roughly 385.5 feet or 0.07 miles. So if you're about to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to buy fencing, this is kind of a good number to have before you get out there, so you'll know what costs are involved. So let's say I'm not interested in the perimeter anymore. I'm actually interested in the area of this. So I'd like to go ahead and close that. Erase the graphics. So I had to erase those graphics in order to get that off the map. So always remember, once you want to measure something out, you've got to erase those graphics. So let's go to area. So let's go to our starting point, single click, click again to continue, click again to continue, click again to continue, single click, and then double click to return. And you can see that roughly this property is 0.26 acres or 11,479 square feet. So if I'm interested in actually printing this map with this information, with these measurements on there, I can do it as long as this tool is active. I can also go down here to print, and I can choose either landscape, portrait, or I can do a screenshot. So for this example, I'm just going to do landscape. And I hit go. Every time you change these, you've got to re-hit go so you can regenerate the map. And then I'm going to click on the print map. And there's the map with the acreage and the square footage. And then, of course, once I'm done here, I have to go clear the graphics. So I erase all the graphics and click on it. So let's say that I wanted to mark this map up even further. Let's say I wanted to highlight 1, 2, 3 properties here. There's a markup tool. If you look, it's a pencil. I can do points, and I can do lines and polygons. And lines will just do the lines like we did when we did the perimeter, but the polygon will actually do the shading part. So let's do the polygon. So let's say we want to highlight all 3 of these. So I could single click here, single click there. It's a fairly straight line across, so we can single click there, single click there, 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 and double click. And then if I'm ready to print my map, I can do that. And then there you go. So that is the printing, measuring, and markup tool capabilities of Polaris. I hope you find that these tools are useful to you, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.